Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taniksha Adnani, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I created this beach waves. And now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So before we get started, let me just show you a few things that you definitely need. First is going to be a hair dryer because you need to dry your hair, and I have the brush extension here. If you don't have a brush extension, then a hair dryer and a roller brush would do. Then you need a curling wand. This is the Beauty Works curling wand. I'll link it down below. You need a few hair clips, a tail comb, a spray. My hair is really very soft, so curls don't really stay well, so I definitely need a spray. This is the Max Hold spray, some khayali to add some fragrance to my hair. And now let's get started. I'm going to first start by adding some khayali to my wet hair. I prefer adding it to my wet hair so it stays longer. Smells so good. Next, I'm going to dry my hair with a regular dryer. I'm just going to dry it a bit before I start adding volume with the brush. I'm drying my hair with my Dyson Airwrap. Love this hair dryer so much. I've kept the setting on full heat and full fan. So I dried my hair for around 6 minutes, and now I'm gonna start drying it with the comb, with the roller comb. And if you don't have this extension, you could just use a rolling brush. I need this to add volume to my hair. So to do that, I'm gonna first section my hair. The easiest way to section your hair is first divide it into half, all the way from the top till the back. I'm going to first clip this section up, and now I'm going to take smaller sections starting from the back and clip the rest up. Just going to change the extension, and I'm going to start adding volume. When I blow dry my hair, I like to take it on top like that, so it adds more volume to the hair. I'm going to take my next section. I used a tail comb to section my hair.
Roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
My hair is completely dry, and now I'm gonna start using the curling wand. I'm again going to start by sectioning my hair into half and half. I'm gonna clip this side up, and again I'm gonna start with this lower section and clip this on the top. And I'm gonna wear this glove which I received with the wand on my left hand. Then I'm just taking a small part, and I'm gonna section the rest on the top. And now I'm gonna start curling my hair with this wand, and I've kept the temperature at 120 degree. So just be careful and don't burn yourself like I just did. Just hold it there for 20 seconds, leave it down, hold it for a second, add some spray, flip it back, and then take the next section, clip this up. I'm going to divide this into two. Again, hold it for 20 seconds. Gonna do the other side. Be careful, don't burn your ear. So that's what it looks like till now. And now I'm gonna just fast forward all of this, and I'll do the rest of this side. Half side done, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And that's how I created these beach waves, and I hope you guys like how I created this beach waves, and I'll be back soon to show you guys how I create some defined curls. And now before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.